We're going to go do an event. It's just a drop-off event for 15 people, and I'm keeping it simple and do the display and then go for dinner with my family, friends, and after Doom Doom, say hi to everyone. And Noodle. Oh. I've been trying to do better with my hair. My hair's gotten so much more healthy through the past few years. It seems like when my trauma's gone and I'm healing, my hair heals too. It's such a reflection of you. I like to do with my eyes, just very simple, naked Urban Decay basics. I have almond shaped eyes, so I like to straighten my line out to give the appearance that my eyes look bigger. I already have extensions on. It makes everything easier. I comb them every single day so they stay their shape and they don't get tangled, because it looks pretty ratchet when it gets tangled. The everyday look. I'm ready to film. Oh wait, I have to do my hair. Forgot. So I've been using this Spoiled Child 90-day treatment, a biotin formula. Works so well that I see baby hairs growing, which is really, really cool and awesome. This has been like such a godsend. It's made my hair thicker and fuller, especially like on my crown. Like I definitely am getting older, so I've experienced a bit of hair loss, especially when I'm stressed. My patches are literally coming back full, and you can see that. I wish I showed you guys the result a few months ago, but like this one, I put a ponytail, you can see less of it, and it's really awesome actually. All you have to do is just spray in the middle here. It's all about getting as close to your little spots, your crowns. And then if you want to, you can spray the bottoms, and then you massage it in. I always wonder if I'm actually getting all the spots, so sometimes I do an extra spray just in case. And then that's pretty. Now, see this mess. I like to just spray some. This is honestly, it's just a little milk serum. Nothing too crazy or special, but I do find that it works. It's just really hard to spray because of the shape. Maybe my hands are small. No baby hairs though. Mr. Noodle, stop crying. Leave in the comments how you put away your baby hair. If it wasn't working, it wouldn't be growing back like this. Nothing too crazy. Simple. Simple. I wanted to grow my hair this long. That's the goal. Never had. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's getting there. It's getting there. So less heat is the key here. Well, I just got this call. Super cool call. I've been manifesting this. This is pretty wild, but private jet catering offer just came around, and like I'm putting together a quote, and he's happening like tomorrow. So everything's rushed, but I wanted this and I'm so excited. So let's see what I can put together for them. Okay, Okay, these are ingredients we don't have and I need to get in order to make all this happen. Okay, so I got mini baked potato with creme fraiche and chives, watermelon with cream cheese, balsamic strawberry crostini with ricotta. They like a lot of these Italian appetizers. It seems a little bit repetitive, but it's gonna be good. Nori summer roll, which is something you've seen in our other videos. Tuna tartare, crispy rice paper, crab cake lollipops, also a special for us. And strawberry goat cheese salad, candy pecan spring salad, citrus baby lemon arugula salad, green apple cranberry kale salad, grilled chicken add-on, salmon add-on, cheese platter, rainbow sammies, cold pressed juices, 2 kinds. Gonna have to get all this before the flight at 9 tomorrow. Well, it's gonna be a long, fun night. Just picking up some items for the event, running a little late. Just need tongs. And some stuff. All unpacked. Just need to put these guys in here. I love it. It's fun. So pretty. Look how cool this sink is. Okay, so I dropped off all the food. The food's on the warmers. Hopefully they're like extra warm. If anything, I had to use a microwave to like just warm it up a little bit to get it, to trigger it, to get it started. So there was champagne, blueberry champagne, pork chops, pork tenderloins. Then there was also like a special herb roasted chicken with chicken supremes with the little leg coming out, so cute. And then there was also smoked paprika potato. They ordered a lot of potatoes, a lot of really good platters, some charcuterie, fruit platters, and what else was there? Oh yes, an arugula salad. So our citrus baby arugula salad with Asiago cheese and a bunch of good dressings on there. Yeah. So then I come back at 10 to come pick up. And now I am setting up for the event for tomorrow. The rush event, the private jet event by Sunday. But it's gonna be worth it. Work hard and you'll get lucky. That's my motto. Truly believe in that. Oh, we have this little buggy and a little elevator that will take you up. Leave us behind. I usually don't buy anything for myself, but today, like, I feel it under. Yeah. Another day at the grocery store, but this time rushing. Creme fraiche. Oh my gosh. Oh, they have so many good things here. My little brother. We don't look like, huh? Do we look like?
Okay, look.
And all this wonderful food. Cheers! Cheers! Soup. Soup is like unless in Chinese culture. Chicken. We got fish, shrimp, stew, ribs, yum, some remy. Alright, yet another grocery store just because I missed a few things. Dino melon. That's so cool. $3.88. Watermelon's cheaper here, but it's okay. time is precious. It's a place called TNT. It's like Asian market, but still super clean because it's brought to you by Loblaws. They have some really cool items here, like mostly exotic things, especially in the seafood area. Super sick. I just need to get one piece of chicken and I'm out seas. It's so cold in Canada. Achoo. Oh. All this going back. This is our storage right now. It's a little messy, but we have a mad boxes, so I'm gonna grab some of these so I can pack and get out of here. Almost there. I gotta get all this out. Nice. Place is open 24 hours. Sick. Uh-oh. How do you even open this? This is crazy. You have to download an app so we could get in. Oh, talk about technology. It's so modern here. This is aisle 24. You have to download an app so you can get in to the door, or else you're waiting in the cold. But it is 24 hours. It's at Liberty Village. They got mad snacks and everything. I needed one thing. Now I'm here. I kind of love it here. It's really nice. No one serves you. It's also your traditional, really nice grocery store that has a little bit of everything, you know, like your organics and like bone broth. Like what? There's even ramen kits, so you know, that says a certain level of quality here. I am just looking for freaking cranberries, so I hope they have it because this like only store that will be open. Nope, they don't have cranberries or craisins. Like, they literally have everything else. Muffins, keto. Who needs keto waffle mixed like for 24 hours? I just want some cranberries. So disappointed. Drove all this way. But it was really cool and nice inside, so even though I was disappointed, I still think it's a pretty good store if you guys are health nuts and looking to snack on no sugar items. Pretty sick in this area. Love it. Making little mini bonaccinis. Just adding some salt, balsamic, garlic. Packed everything. This is the goat cheese strawberry salad. And we got the balsamic basil, ricotta, crostini. And this one, it is a citrus baby. Citrus baby Asiago lemon vinaigrette. This is a watermelon basil chini skewer chini tartare. So cute. I packed it in a cup, marinated. And all I have to do is take ice pack here for fish. It's 6:30 in the morning. Got all this stuff ready to go. Let's go to the airport. Okay, bye. We made it to the airport. I couldn't find the place almost. It's hella cold. So, that was my first jet catering. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for coming along for the ride. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Pulled an all-nighter. Still have to drop off some stuff actually to the warehouse, but before that, I have some trust issues with myself with buying the right items online sometimes, so sometimes it's just better to go in person to go grab the things. It's mad earlier now, like, and I'm really sore. I've been standing all night. So worth it though. Didn't have the plates, so now I went to Party City. Super delusional right now, incoherent, too sleepy. Fuck, they're not even open yet. Imagine my face when I realized I forgot to return the key after borrowing the car, the rental. God dams. 20 minutes of walking just to be back, another 20 minutes. My day. So funny. These plates are so gorgeous. Thanks, Matt. Gifting. I can't even choose. I love the wrapping.
Look at a wrap job coming up here. You're getting the full one too.
Full experience. Coming soon. Finally, almost home. Got some gifts from my dear friend. Thank you, Maddie. I can't wait to use these. If you like what you see on my journey, this was a very particular day. So, follow, like, subscribe. You know the deal. Have a good day, you guys.